Hey guys, well it is Monday. I don't know what day it is, but it is hammers are up on the website for sale on TrentandDie.com, and we've already had I think we've already sold 6 or 7 already, and wanted to give a big thank you to Xavier Hanslick all the way in Austria, Jeff Dennington, Andrew Feltner, my clone, Justin LaPierre, Dewey M. Finger, Mike Roberts, and Daniel Mounts. Wasn't that right? Wasn't it Daniel Mounts? So, guys, thank you so very much on this end of it. And I mean, like I said, this has been a heck of a deal for us, trying to get the press built, a couple of these hammers out. And again, cannot tell you how much I appreciate it. This is helping us absolutely tremendously. And of course, I had some questions about, like I said, you're going to get the hammer, but Xavier was over in Austria, was very concerned with getting an autograph. So, of course, we are very fancy here, so we're going to manufacture you an autograph card out of some stuff we had lying around in the shop. So we're going to make this very special, very customized, that I will get to sign. And let's see, thanks, Trent, and Mr. Corey's going to sign as well. But as a special bonus for everybody, which is, I mean, very important here at, Purgatory Ironworks, we like to really do it up something big. So I went by the store, and of course, with every signature card, you will also receive one badass Star Wars sticker. Let's see, this one's going to Xavier, so we're gonna include Darth Vader here. So Xavier, this will be coming to you in Austria. Your signature card and your puffy, this good kind, not the paper crap, but the puffy good ones. Your signature card here, which will be coming with your hammer. So guys, thank you very much. Hammers now for sale on TrentandDie.com, and I'll see you guys a little bit later. Get your signature card and your cool ass Star Wars sticker or Ninja Turtles in case we run out. You guys be good.